Why do you explode into laughter when someone pokes your ribs, even if you're begging them to stop? And why can't you tickle yourself no matter how hard you try? Ticklishness is one of those human glitches that feels silly, but it's actually pretty complex. In this segment, we'll break down what your body and brain are doing during a tickle, and why it might have mattered for survival and for play. The idea is that ticklishness may protect vulnerable body parts. The neck, armpits, and stomach matter, so your body reacts fast there. A tickle is unexpected touch and your reflex fires before you decide anything. You twist away, tense up, and guard the spot automatically. That quick reaction can act like practice. Repeated tickling trains you to respond fast to surprise contact, like a mini self-defense drill. Inside the brain, the tickle response links touch with threat-like signals. It can activate pain and touch centers together, which makes it feel intense. Then there's involuntary laughter. It can look like you're having fun, but it may also work as a stop or submission signal. At the same time, those sounds can resemble playful noises, so the same reflexive reaction can read as defense mechanism or play depending on context. Notice the tickle zones: neck, armpit, stomach. These are sensitive, hard to protect, and close to important structures, so your body treats touch there seriously. Because those areas are extra sensitive, even light fingers can set off the reflex. Your muscles jump, your breathing changes, and you try to escape. So far, we've seen ticklishness as a fast reflex that protects vulnerable spots, mixes touch with pain circuits, and can trigger involuntary laughter as a stop signal. But here's where it gets interesting. Not all tickling feels like defense. Sometimes you're laughing because it's play, and the whole point is connection. Let's switch from get away to we're bonding, and why that difference matters so much. Tickling often happens between people who trust each other, like parents and kids. In that setting, ticklishness can support social bonding through shared play. As a playful interaction, tickling creates a safe surprise. You get the rush of the reflex, but inside a relationship that feels friendly. Laughter then becomes feedback. It reinforces the moment as positive, telling the other person, I'm engaged, even while your body is squirming. For babies, tickling may connect touch, faces, and laughter. Over time, they can learn that certain surprises lead to joy and giggles. That could help early emotional learning. Tickling might teach how to handle excitement, boundaries, and enough, using laughter and squirming as signals. Now the weirdest part, you can't tickle yourself. Your brain predicts your own touch, so it labels it non-threatening and turns down the tickle response. Because predicted touch gets canceled, the reflex stays strongest for surprise contact from someone else. That makes ticklishness both social and defensive, depending on context. So why are we ticklish? The honest answer is the exact reason we're ticklish is still debated, but the clues line up. Ticklishness looks like a reflex that helps guard vulnerable areas and practice quick reactions, while also supporting social bonding through playful touch and laughter. And the fact you can't tickle yourself shows how much your brain shapes the whole experience. It's part defense, part connection, and still a mystery. Thanks for watching. If this made you curious, leave a question or topic you want explained next in the comments. I'm turning everyday questions into short explainers, so subscribe if you want to see more.